The Rolls-Royce Phantom stands in the heart of the luxurious showroom, a masterpiece of automotive craftsmanship and elegance. The soft glow of ambient lighting reflects off its flawless, hand-polished surface, accentuating every sculpted curve and detail. The showroom itself is a sanctuary of sophistication, designed to complement the grandeur of the Phantom. The marble floor beneath it gleams, mirroring its presence, while the name Rolls-Royce Phantom is displayed on the wall in illuminated lettering, a bold testament to the legacy of the world's most prestigious automobile. It is not just a car, it is a statement, a symbol of success, and a testament to the art of engineering and design. From the very first glance, the Phantom captivates with its imposing yet graceful silhouette. The Pantheon grille, standing tall and polished to a mirror-like shine, commands attention, framed by the sleek laser headlights that add a modern touch to its timeless design. The Spirit of Ecstasy sits proudly above, an icon of elegance that has adorned Rolls-Royce models for over a century. The deep, rich paintwork, achieved through multiple layers and meticulous hand finishing, shimmers under the showroom lights, revealing a depth of color that is unparalleled. Every line, every contour is purposeful, reflecting both heritage and innovation in perfect harmony. Approaching the Phantom, the signature coach doors open effortlessly, inviting passengers into a world of pure luxury. The interior is a sanctuary of refinement, where the finest materials have been carefully selected and crafted to perfection. The seats, upholstered in the softest, hand-stitched leather, provide unmatched comfort, while the wood veneers, sourced from the most exclusive forests, add warmth and sophistication to the cabin. Every surface is touched by the hands of skilled artisans, ensuring that no detail is overlooked. The deep pile lambswool carpets beneath the feet provide a sensation of absolute indulgence, enhancing the experience of stepping into the Phantom. Above, the starlight headliner transforms the ceiling into a breathtaking display of the night sky. Hundreds of tiny fiber optic lights, individually placed by hand, create a mesmerizing constellation that adds to the sense of tranquility within the cabin. The dashboard, a seamless blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology, houses an advanced infotainment system that remains hidden behind a sleek panel until needed, preserving the Phantom's timeless aesthetic. The bespoke clock, set into the dashboard, serves as a subtle reminder that time itself moves differently within a Rolls-Royce, more refined, more deliberate, more elegant. Beneath the hood lies a masterpiece of engineering, a 6.75-liter V12 engine that delivers effortless performance. Power is delivered in a way that feels almost ethereal, with acceleration that is smooth and uninterrupted. The advanced air suspension system continuously adapts to the road, ensuring that every journey is as serene as floating on air. The Phantom does not simply drive, it glides, absorbing every imperfection in the road with grace. Even at high speeds, the cabin remains whisper quiet, insulated from the outside world to create an atmosphere of complete serenity. This is not just a driving experience, it is a journey into the extraordinary. For those who prefer to be chauffeured, the rear cabin of the Phantom is a space designed for ultimate relaxation. The reclining seats, with built-in massage functions, offer supreme comfort, while the bespoke rear entertainment system ensures that every journey is enjoyable. The ambient lighting, adjustable to suit the mood, enhances the sense of calm, while the signature rear-hinged coach doors allow for an elegant entrance and exit. With the touch of a button, the doors close effortlessly, sealing passengers in a world of luxury. Even the smallest details, such as the hidden umbrellas within the doors, reflect the meticulous attention to craftsmanship that defines Rolls-Royce. Technology is seamlessly integrated into the Phantom, enhancing convenience without disrupting the purity of its design. The intelligent driver assistance systems ensure effortless control, while the adaptive cruise control and precision steering make long journeys as relaxing as they are enjoyable. The bespoke audio system, tuned specifically for the Phantom's acoustics, delivers an unparalleled listening experience, transforming the cabin into a private concert hall. Every innovation is designed to enhance the experience without overpowering the elegance of the vehicle. The Phantom remains a perfect balance of tradition and modernity, where advanced technology exists not for spectacle but for seamless luxury. Customization lies at the heart of the Phantom experience, allowing each owner to create a car that is truly one of a kind. Through the Rolls-Royce Bespoke program, every element can be tailored to individual preference, from exclusive paint colors to personalized embroidery and handcrafted inlays. Whether it is a custom monogram stitched into the headrests, a unique veneer sourced from a rare tree, or a hand-painted coachline applied by Rolls-Royce's master artisans, no detail is too small to be perfected. This level of personalization ensures that no two Phantoms are ever the same, making each one a reflection of its owner's vision and personality. Standing in the showroom, the Phantom is not just a display of automotive excellence, it is an invitation to experience something beyond luxury. The illuminated name on the wall serves as a reminder of its legacy, a history built on an unwavering commitment to perfection. Those who admire it understand that the Phantom is not about excess, it is about refinement, about artistry, about the pursuit of the extraordinary. It does not follow trends, it defines them. It does not compete, it stands alone. It is not just an automobile, it is a legend, a timeless masterpiece that continues to set the standard for luxury. Owning a Rolls-Royce Phantom is not merely about possession, it is about embracing a way of life where excellence is the only standard. It is about choosing the finest materials, the most advanced engineering, and the most exquisite craftsmanship. It is about experiencing travel in a way that is effortless, serene, and distinguished. Every moment inside the Phantom is an experience in itself, a reminder that true luxury is not just about what is seen, but what is felt. It is a car that does not shout for attention, it commands it with quiet authority, with presence, with an aura that is unmatched. As it stands in the showroom, its polished surfaces reflecting the elegance of its surroundings, the Rolls-Royce Phantom remains the pinnacle of automotive artistry. It is a car for those who demand perfection, for those who understand that true luxury is found in the finest details. It is not just a vehicle, it is a masterpiece, a work of art that transcends time. This is Rolls-Royce, this is Phantom.